Hello, it's me Leslie, and I have anxiety disorder with panic attacks. So I added that to my introduction. Remember one of my vlog, I showed the packed food that my sister delivered here. So one of those is the kare-kare. And I also talked about my food allergy. So you might notice that there's no alamang here because what they use for it for pang-alat is plain salt. So still yummy. As I've said, I'm cutting back on eating rice. Show you the amount. It's just that little bit of rice. I'm gonna enjoy this. It's actually more healthy because yeah, I mean, we have to admit it, having alamang on the side is good, but that's maalat that's salty. So, it's not healthy for you. What I love about this is the puso ng saging. So this morning, we went out to buy a new set of medicine because my cough after I got COVID, it's not going away. And it's been over a month already. And the doctors, it's my ENT told me that it's post-COVID. My psychiatrist, and she said it could be post-COVID. But, you know, it's the anxiety disorder. I feel paranoid, and I was thinking maybe I need an x-ray already because the cough is just lingering so long. Parang tumambay na siya. Parang ayaw niya ako iwan. So, last night, I had a consult with a pulmonologist naman. He said it could be a post-COVID cough. Well, but he changed the medication. So, this morning, I went to a drugstore. I'm not gonna mention the name. And of course, I want to do a vlog about it. And when I was there, they said I cannot do vlogging or recording anything in that drugstore. I was thinking, what's the big deal? The camera, it was just focused on my face and what I'm saying. I was just there to pick up my order. In the times of like everyone is doing vlog, maybe if I'm a celebrity, they won't stop me from doing that. Just saying. I went to Santis instead, or no, not instead, after taking my medicine, after buying my medicine from the drugstore. And from there were two ladies. I told them I'm taking a video, and I told them I am a vlogger. They asked how long, and I said for 6 days. And I asked if they want to subscribe. No. Oh yeah, I said, do you want to subscribe? And they said, can you shout out for our names? I said, why don't you just join me here on camera and tell your names? So from that store, Santis, I actually got 2 new subscribers from that store. So I had a not so good experience with that drugstore. It didn't actually ruin my story, but it could have been more complete. It stopped me from vlogging naman siya ng something positive. When I went to Sunday. Daily experience, one moment you're buiset, and then the next moment, something good will happen. So, it's not gonna be like your entire day is ruined. So, I guess you can apply that in life as well. Today, maybe tomorrow will be a better day. So, that's my take on that. And I hope everyone is having a good dinner. And bye-bye for now. I'm gonna finish my kare-kare and enjoy it. Love, peace, and happiness.